Good morning, students. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about the letter writing. Now, before we start with the letter writing, let me tell you that what is the importance of letter writing. Letter writing is an important topic in the English writing skills section. It is important for school students. Everyone must know how to write a letter, and while writing a formal letter, one has to follow a simple letter writing format. Okay, so in this class I will explain you that um, what is the format of formal letter writing and what is the format of informal letter writing. Okay, so let's start with the formal letter. A formal letter can be written for various reasons, like we have covered the formal letter writing, letter format written for different purposes. On the other hand, and in informal letter is written to the one's friend, family, or relatives. Okay, so when you are talking about your family, friends, relatives, all right, someone who love you so much, and someone who knows you very well, so that is called formal letter writing, and there is no word limit, and there is no particular language you have to use while writing a formal letter. But on the other side, if you talk about an informal letter, that is an official letter. One does not have to follow the format of an informal letter strictly. Okay, so we will discuss about letter writing types and samples also in this session. Okay, so we will continue with that. Just give me a quick moment. Okay, so now let me tell you that when we are discussing about the formal letter, it strictly follows some prescribed format of writing a formal letter. Okay, formal letter must be precise and to the point. The subject line is very important in a formal letter, and also the format I would like to discuss over here in this session, that what can be the correct format of a letter writing. So at the first place you have to write sender's address. Okay, and that will be on the left side of the page. So you have to write the sender's address, that means the address, and the contact details of the sender are written here. Include an email or an phone number if required, or if it mentioned in the question. The second thing comes your date. The date is written in above, below the sender's address, after leaving uh, one space or line. Okay, and then you need to write the receiver's address. That means the person who is going to receive the letter. Okay, and after that you have to write the subject of the letter, and after that body of the letter, and then it will be your closing of the letter. All right, so these are the format. This is the correct format of writing a formal letter. So that letter has to be in the same format. Okay, so initially you have to write the sender's address, then you have to write the date, then you have to write the receiver's address, then the subject line of the letter, then body of the letter, and at last you have to write the closing of the letter. Okay, and everything will be there on the left side of the page. Okay, so these are the important points of formal letter writing, which you need to keep into your mind when you are writing a letter. Okay, just give me a minute here. All right. Okay, now we will discuss about the informal letter. How to write informal letter. A letter written for an informal purpose is called informal letter. Okay, so that is your that is for a casual purpose, like when you are talking about um, official letter, or when you talk about to any government body, or any other officials. All right, then you have to write an informal letter to that person or to that officer. Okay, now I will discuss in this session that what can be the correct format of informal letter. Okay. Okay, so an informal letter does not strictly follow the prescribed format. The language of an informal letter um must be friendly and casual, and formal letter can have extra information. The subject line is not required in informal letter. Okay, so the format of informal letter as in address, date, salutation, body. So this the letter has to be in the same format. Okay, so this is the format of formal and informal letter, and just give me a minute. Some problem with settings of the phone over here. Okay, I guess there is some problem with the phone setting. So no problem. I hope that you have understood about the letter writing format, and in this session, like if you have understood the format and what is letter writing, then you need to write a formal letter in homework. Okay, thank you class. And if you have any questions or any queries regarding formal letter writing or informal letter writing, you can discuss in the next session. Okay, so the homework is you have to write a formal and informal letter in homework today. Okay, thank you.